So in this question, we need to find out the energy at the bottom of the first allowed band, right? So we need to find out the energy, and it is given that for the case that beta is equal to 10, right? So let's start with the solution. The solution is very simple. Now we need to find out the minimum energy of the first band. So we need to find out for what value of z, right? So we need to find out that for what value of z, f of z would be equal to 1. And if f of z is given by the expression, recall your previous knowledge, that f of z is equal to cos z plus beta sine z divided by z, right? So now next step is that we know z is equal to k times a, right? And we also know this thing that z is less than equal to pi times beta, right? And beta is equal to 10. We have that. So we can write that 10 is equal to m times alpha a divided by h cross square, right? So when we'll plug all of these values over here, so we would get that f of z is equal to 1 is equal to cos z plus 10 times sine z divided by z, right? So using MATLAB, we'll get that the value of z is equal to 2.62767, right? And now we will start with finding out the energy. So the energy is equal to h cross square times k square divided by 2m, right? So now the expression for k is z divided by alpha, not alpha, sorry, it's a square, right? So we are going to plug it in over here so that we have E is equal to h cross square divided by 2m z divided by a square, right? So it's basically z divided by a. So when we'll plug in for k, so then we would get a square over here, right? So afterwards, what we are going to do is that we are going to plug in the above values a little bit, right? So that we have e is equal to z square divided by 2a times h cross divided by m a into alpha divided by alpha, right? So that is the algebraic manipulation in this step. So when we simplify it, so we will get that e is equal to z square divided by 2a into alpha divided by beta, right? And we know that this fraction, it is equal to 1 electron volt, right? So plug it back over here and we'll get that e is equal to um 2.62767 square divided by 20 into 1 electron volt, right? So E would be equal to 0.345 electron volt, right? So this is the solution for this question.